Hello everyone, today I will show you how we can remove or erase unwanted object, person or anything. So to remove them, at first you need to open Play Store and download AI Retouch app. Download this one. I have already downloaded, so I won't download it. I will directly open it. Click on open. You need to download because at first you need to download, then only it shows open option. So to remove object, click here, try it, remove object, try it, allow, and from here you can select your images, but I will select from gallery because it will be easy for me. I will open gallery and picture, my picture, yeah, this is. From here I want to remove myself from this picture, so I will click here, share, and then AI retouch. If you can see here, then click this more option and press AI retouch app, and then press this remove object, right, and here you can see your picture. Now click on AI remove, and here you can mark your object also, but I won't do this because we have this AI auto option. So I will press AI auto option and AI will search. As you can see, the object is marked, and I will press this object to confirm this is the object I want to remove. And now click this remove. As you can see, person is removed or object is removed. Now press this tick option, and now we have this AI retouch watermark. So to remove this watermark, press into, and now press this close or into option, and now click here watch and add, because you need to watch one ad to remove watermark. Now press this save option. The picture has been saved in your gallery. Let me show you. As you can see, picture is saved. I will show you next example also. I will open that one picture. From here I want to remove these vehicles, so I will click this share option and AI retouch and this remove object and AI remove auto. As you can see, two vehicles are marked. I will press to confirm these vehicles. The vehicles are properly marked and confirmed. Now press this remove. As you can see, vehicle are removed. I press tick mark, press save. I will show you in gallery. As you can see, photo has been saved.